Meadow Walker. She is the daughter of late actor Paul Walker. She was born in November 4, 1998 in California, USA. She is a model and Instagram star. She has a great social profile with more than 2.5 million followers in Instagram. She is closely attached to Vin Diesel's family members. She started a charity in her father's name and is doing a remarkable contribution to fight the poverty. She loves traveling. She always remembers her father and often posts pictures of memories with him. Meadow is a great social worker. She has dedicated her wealth and time in honor of her father to contribute to the social activities all around the world. She is not concerned about her own wealth. All she thinks of doing is helping people in honor of her father.